Now, amid the lockdown, Narega has proven to be a lifeline for India's poor. Since there's been an exponential rise in numbers, states are now running out of funds to be able to pay for the cash guarantee scheme. 23 states have red flagged a shortage of funds as workers on the ground say that they aren't getting their wages.
At the outskirts of Thiruvananthapuram, Geeta is among a group of 29 families below the poverty line, cleaning a canal under Narega. She's received only 3 days' wages, despite working almost 10 times as many days.
ഇനി 3 ദിവസത്തെ പണി കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളൂ 29 ദിവസത്തെ പണി ചെയ്ത് അതിൽ 3 ദിവസത്തെ കിട്ടി ഇനി ബാക്കി പൈസ കിട്ടാനുണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് തന്നെ കൂലിപ്പണിക്കാരല്ലേ മഴയൊക്കെ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ജോലികളൊന്നുമില്ല ഒറ്റയ്ക്കാണ് താമസിക്കുന്നത് പിന്നെ ഇതിൽ കിട്ടുന്ന വരുമാനം കൊണ്ടാണ് കഴിയുന്നത് അപ്പോൾ എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ ഇതിനു മുമ്പേ വീട്ടു ജോലിക്കൊക്കെ പോയി ഇവിടെ ജോലി വരുമ്പോൾ ജോലിക്ക് വരും ഈ ജോലിയുടെ വരുമാനം കൊണ്ടാണ് കഴിയുന്നത്
Geeta isn't alone in not getting paid, with 23 states running out of funds for the scheme at a time when lockdown-induced economic distress is seeing a massive surge in Narega numbers. We're barely halfway through the current financial year and Narega funds have already run out. About 73,500 crore rupees have been made available so far for the scheme, and the government's books show that we are already in the red, with a shortfall of about 8,600 crore rupees. In fact, Kerala, where Geeta works, is one of the worst affected states, with a shortfall of over rupees 500 crore.
1,800 crores is the amount raised by Government of India. And we have already spent 2,196 crores. So all the funds are exhausted.
Across India, these women are literally an army of workforce on the ground. They work hard to be able to earn livelihood for their family, many of them single-handedly running their homes. For days, they have not got funds and they are worried what lies in future for them. There is no Diwali for them this time.
Chief ministers like M.K. Stalin to Naveen Patnaik have written to the centre asking for more funds. The Congress has also tweeted, saying that the Modi government has managed to destroy the one saving grace for India, the Manrega.
The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act is on the verge of collapsing under the visionary leadership of Prime Minister Modi, with only 10% of its funds left. But does the PM care about this?
The centre has responded saying that there is no cash crunch. Fund release is a continuous process, they say, and that there has been an 18% increase in fund allocation this year. They also said that rupees 8,900 crore will be available for Narega wages. But the fact is that the centre cut the funds for the Narega scheme during the pandemic. Last year's revised estimates allotted about 1.1 lakh crore for the scheme. This year's budget estimates is about 73,000 crore, which is about 35% less. With Sneha Meri Koshi in Kerala, this is Mariam Alavi for NDTV.